Hi, welcome to AMS ERP, the finest school management software. On previous video, we discussed about academic settings, which is all about creating and managing new academic year. Now, let's talk about student import. As the new academic year starts, there will be a bulk of new student applications, which cannot be managed properly. And there comes AMS ERP. You can download an Excel sheet from here, and there you can fill all details available, and yellow columns are mandatory columns to be filled. Student admission number provided by the school should be marked on student register number. On student admission number column, serial number are to be marked. These act like unique ID for students in the ERP. After uploading, if you want to upload again another list of students, serial number must be continued. That is, on first upload, we start with 1 to 50. So on second upload, the serial number must start with 51, because these are unique ID for students in ERP. And student data update. It's actually used for changing the entire student data in a bulk-wise manner. If the phone numbers of the given set of students are to be changed, just download the Excel format from student data update, and before here, during our uploading of a student board list, the serial numbers are added to ERP with institution code as a prefix. In institution details, we made DM as institution code and tick marked. So the unique ID of each student will be serial number along with prefix DM, like DM1, DM2, DM3. So it's really helpful in student data update, because in this Excel format, the student list or student details to be changed can be given along with this student unique ID. So the ERP identifies each student and changes their details within a single click. In order to get this unique ID, go to Data Export module in Export session, select the student, candidate class wise or school wise. We get details of whole student and get the unique ID from it. So this is all about student report. Thanks for watching.